you guys! Our windows are finally here. We finally get to talk about them. I have been answering emails and questions for the last month and a half. Let me show you. We knew going into the Merc renovation, we had some really quirky situations.
Like the whole thing.
But
You mean everything.
I mean everything, yes. But the windows were a huge deal. The windows in phase 1 don't necessarily need to be like these big, amazing custom jobs. But the windows in phase 2 100% have to be, because there are like 10 of them and they're all different. So in order for them to be cohesive, we decided to go with some really amazing windows for phase 1. These are the Andersen A series. I've spent many a night on AndersenWindows.com designing the perfect windows, trying to figure out the size, the color, all of the things.
I spent many a night on the internet too.
Playing Call of Duty. So all I did, I went into Home Depot and I met with a guy that was the window and door specialist. I gave him my paper that I printed out from the website and we ordered the windows. That was it.
Simple.
It was so easy. Obviously, we have a historic situation here and I wanted to design the windows to match our old windows as much as I could. That was like super important to me. So we cut the window opening so that it was big enough that all of our panes could be the same size as the original windows were. And these windows in particular are east facing. And so we have Smart Sun Glass. It protects huge amounts of UV rays. There's like very little heat transference. It's awesome.
I'll take it. Anything that brings my bill down,
Yeah.
I accept that.
Yeah, and Andersen has these smart locks that integrate with your smart home devices. So they will tell you when your windows are locked or unlocked and open. Did you know that? No teenagers sneaking out of our house.
Sorry, Ivy.
All right, you guys, if you're in the market for windows, whether you're doing new construction or a remodel, please take the time to go to Home Depot and check out their selection, because I had no idea that such high quality windows could be available. I mean, I love Home Depot, but I was like, dang, Home Depot, you are delivering.